Francisco Sionil Jose.
Francisco Sionil Jose, born on December 3, 1924 in Rosales, Pangasinan, at the renowned Faculty of Philosophy and Letters of the University of Santo Tomas. He studied under pioneering fictions Paz Lotorena F. Sionil Jose, was UST Varsitarian editor of Chef from 1948 to 1949. F. Sionil Jose founded the Philippine Center of PEN International in 1957. In 1956, F. Sionil Jose and his wife Teresita founded the Solidaridad Bookshop. F. Sionil Jose received Carlos Palanca Memorial Award for The God Stealer Short Fiction 1959 and Waya Waya Short Fiction 1979, Arbol de Fuego Short Fiction 1980, Tree Novel 1978, and a scenario for the Philippines Resistance Essay 1979. And he also received the Ramon Magsaysay Award, Journalism, Literature, and Creative Communication Art in 1980. He was named Philippines National Artist for Literature in 2001. In addition, he received the Order of Sacred Treasure from the Emperor of Japan in 2001. He is best known for his Rosales Saga.
Who's Cirilo F. Bautista?
Dr. Cirilo F. Bautista was conferred the Order of the National Artist in 2015 by Philippine President Benigno C. Aquino, Jr. nominated to this highest honor by his peers for the sheer quantity and substances of his literary production. Cirilo F. Bautista has become not only an exemplar in the university, but is also an inspiration to young people writers in the archipelago and wherever they be in the world, were deemed to enrich the body of the Philippine literature with substances and song. Philippine National Artist for Literature, a Renaissance man who was a poet, fiction writer, painter, literary critic, and educator. He was a professor emeritus and university fellow at De La Salle University, Manila. Bautista received numerous awards and honors, including the Philippine Centennial Prize of Epic Poetry, Manila Critics Circle National Book Award, Don Carlos Palanca Hall of Fame Award, and Top 1 Lifetime Achievement Award. He was a member of the Manila Critics Circle and the Philippine Literary Art Council.
Who's Alfred Yuson?
Alfredo A. Yuson is also known as Crip Yuson, a Filipino author of novels, born on February 23, 1945. He is now 79 years old already. He has authored 23 books, including novels, poetry collections, short fictions, and essays. Yuson was conferred the Southeast Asia Right Award in 1992 in Bangkok, and has been elevated to the Hall of Fame of the Carlos Palanca Memorial National Awards of Literature. He has frequently represented the Philippines literary conferences, festivals, and reading tours in US, Japan, China, and Finland, and many more international anthologies. He has gained numerous distinctions, including the 2009 Kawit Pambansang Alagad ni Balagtas from Writers Union of the Philippines. Yuson attended recent years the World Poetry Congress in Tehran, Iran in 2011, the 8th International Poetry Festival of Granada. He is a founding member of the Philippines Literary Acts of Council, Creative Writing Foundation Incorporated. Literary works of Alfred Yuson, Great Philippines Jungle Energy Cafe in 1998, Everything is Happening Under the Light of Eternity. So Side by Side, I'll Cure the Revolution of 96, The Demons Against the Marcas in 1980s.
Who's Lai Weiwei Arcio Bautista?
Liwayway
Joy A. Arceo was a multi-awarded Filipino fictionist, journalist, scriptwriter, and editor. She was born in Manila on January 30, 1924, and died on December 3, 1999. Her first novel was Teaser, year 1952, and she wrote numerous works including Uhaw na Tigang na Lupa, over 50 novels, short story collections like Ina, May Bahay, Anak at Iba pa, and Ang Mag-anak na Cruz, and radio dramas like Ilaw ng Tahanan. She was recognized for her literary contribution with awards such as the Gawad CCP for Literature in 1993, an honorary doctorate from University of the Philippines in 1991, and the Gawad Malagtas Life Achievement Award for Fiction in 1998. That's all.
Who's Luwalhati Bautista?
Luwalhati Bautista. She was born in Tondo on December 2, 1945, and she died in Quezon City on February 12, 2023. She was a Filipino writer, novelist, liberal activist, and political critic. Her most popular novels include Dekada 70, Bata Bata, Paano Ka Ginawa, and Gapo. She won the grand prize for the novel in Filipino at the Carlos Palanca Memorial Awards for Literature for Gapo in 1980, Dekada in 1983, and Bata Bata in 1984. She also received the same award for short stories in 1982 and 1983 with her fiction unflinchingly depicting the realities of life. She was the writer of 10 books and author of 11 screenplays. Bulaklak ng City Jail, starring National Artist for Film and Broadcasting Arts Nora Honor, won Bautista and Best Story and Best Screenplay Awards in the 1984 Metro Manila Film Festival. She also received the CCP Gawad para sa sining na 2020. Of all her work, Bautista singled out Bata Bata as her favorite with Dekada a close second. With Bata Bata, my enthusiasm never died down when we were doing the movie. I was attending press cons and premieres. Of course, I also treasure my having done the Dekada, but Bata Bata had created a greater impact in the market. Directed by Chito Esronio, it also won Best Picture and Best Screenplay.